Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and today we're looking at a 2016 Grand Design Reflection. Hey Jim, what's going on?
Hey Dustin, we're doing wheel bearing pack. This unit's gonna need brakes. These drums are really grooved. The lining's really low on the other side.
Look how bad that is.
But I always check the suspension when I'm doing this kind of work.
What do you got going on?
You can see the shackles got some play.
Oh yeah, that back one, that bottom one's moving quite a bit. Yeah.
These are Weppels, but they're really dry. I don't think they've been greased in quite a while.
So the bearings probably shot in them too.
The bushings.
Bushing, I mean.
Mm-hmm. This hanger bolt.
Oh yeah.
You hear it?
Yeah, I can hear it, see it.
That's no good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I was this guy, I'd put an Easy Flex on it.
Yeah. That he's got the longer shackle links too. Notice that?
He's got the longer shackle links, but they're the really thin ones.
Yeah.
And he'll get a nice upgrade with the Easy Flex.
Yeah, exactly. So basically, we found all the grease on the brakes. The drums are scarred and damaged.
And the lining's really thin.
And the lining's thin on the other side. I'm gonna go walk around and take a peek at the other side.
Sure.
Let's see what we got over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I see the brake linings are pretty thin. Same thing. And he's got movement probably on this side as well.
Look how thin this is right here.
I see how thin it is. I see all the pits and stuff on it too.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can see it too well in the camera or not, but you know, just age and use. You already checked this side too?
Yeah.
Same thing? Okay. Yeah, I can see like where the movement and stuff was occurring on them. Oh yeah, you could just see when you just moved it too. That's crazy that when it's bumping like that, you know, based off of the design, and it's basically acting like a bump stop, and it's moving the axles that much, you know, and that's just you doing it by hand. Can you imagine when he's going over like something hard?
Oh yeah. He'll get a good little shock.
You get a big vibration inside. So, all right. Well, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.